Hey, welcome to How to Fix It Workshop. My name is Josh, and in this video, I'm going to show you how my wife and I turned this mid-century modern accent table that we purchased for $25 into about $175 of profit with just a couple hours of work. So we purchased this table off of Facebook Marketplace for $25, and initially we just liked the look of it. We weren't sure what the total value was going to be when we sold it, but we just thought it had a cool look and we knew that it was probably a mid-century style. So the first step was to clean everything. It was in really good shape, but we just used some warm soapy water and cleaned everything real good. Next, we sanded the top with a fine grit sandpaper. We just wanted to take off the finish and the stain and get down to bare wood. I didn't want to get too close to the edges because I knew there was a veneer around the perimeter and I didn't want to burn through that. Next, we wiped down everything with clean soapy water again to remove all the sawdust, and then we hand sanded the edges where the orbital sander didn't go. We use this Minwax pre-stain wood conditioner that helps oil-based stains have an even and non-blotchy coat. I'll leave links to all of these products in the description below. Next was the hard part, trying to match the stain. We tried several different stains that I had on hand, and then we settled on this Watco Danish oil, which is a dark walnut, and it turned out perfect. We were just careful to give it a light coat. Then we finished with Minwax Clear Semi-Gloss Oil-Based Polyurethane. This was a 50-50 mix with mineral spirits just to thin out the oil-based polyurethane, and we ended up applying about 5 coats. In between the coats, we sanded lightly with a crumpled up paper bag. This table turned out beautiful. We thought about keeping it. So here's a numbers recap. We purchased it for $25. We had all the supplies on hand. We spent about 2 hours refinishing and taking some pictures, and we listed it on Marketplace for $220. We dropped the price $10 after the first week and added it to eBay. It ended up selling on eBay within a week, and there was some new learnings that came along with eBay. So we had to ship it a couple hundred miles away, and then we had to find a box big enough to package it in. We ended up finding this box at our local U-Haul, and it was bigger than what we needed, so we had to be creative with a bunch of materials to throw inside to take up the void. We used an old blanket, some cardboard, other things that we had sitting around, which did increase the weight a little bit. So the bottom line, we purchased it for $25, 2 hours of work, $8 for shipping supplies, $40 for the shipping cost, and then we sold it for about $230, which included the shipping estimate. Then there was about an $18 cut for eBay. We ended up with a $179 profit divided by about 2 hours of work, which is about $90 an hour. Turned out to be a really good project. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to How to Fix It Workshop. You can also check out our website, howtofixitworkshop.com, for other DIY projects. And thanks for watching.